How to delete Riot games from PC. I am going to show you how you can delete Riot games from your PC. You may be able to uninstall the Riot client through Windows settings. Open the Start menu and type Add or Remove Programs. Then click the first option. Click Riot Vanguard. Click Uninstall. Empty your recycle bin and restart your computer. Open the Start menu and type Riot. If any Riot apps or folders appear, go to the next step. Normally, this can be found in the C or G drive unless you specified a certain folder during the installation. To find the location, do the following things. Right-click the Riot client shortcut on your desktop. Select Open File Location. This will open the folder that has the Resources and UX folder. In the top navigation bar, click Riot Games to navigate to this folder. This folder should contain the Riot client folder. In the top navigation bar, click C, D, or the name of your custom folder to navigate there. This folder should contain the Riot Games folder. Right-click the Riot Games folder. This will open a pop-up menu. Delete is near the bottom of the menu for Windows 10 computers, while the trash can icons is in the top right corner of the menu on Windows 11 computers. On your keyboard, press Win and R. This will open the Run window. Type app data into the field and click OK. This command will open the app data folder. Open the local folder. You will see a list of apps in alphabetical order. If it isn't in alphabetical order, click the name category at the top to filter it now. Right-click the Riot Games folder. This is the folder located in app data. Local A and a pop-up menu will open. Delete is near the bottom of the menu for Windows 10 computers, while the trash can icon is in the top right corner of the menu on Windows 11 computers. Press Win and type Riot Client. You should see Riot Client pop up in the Start menu search suggestions. Click Open File Location. This will be the right panel of the search suggestions. Riot Games folder will then open. In the top navigation bar, click Programs. This will open the previous folder. Right-click the Riot Games folder. This is the folder located in the Start menu and then Programs. Click Delete. Delete is near the bottom of the menu in Windows 10 computers, while the trash can icon is in the top right corner of the menu in Windows 11 computers. Empty your recycle bin and restart your computer. To do this, right-click the recycle bin icon to your desktop and click Empty Recycle Bin. Restart your computer by pressing the W-Win key. Clicking the power icon and selecting Restart. The Riot client will be fully uninstalled.